Today we're going to be counting syllables in words using vowels to help. At the top of each screen you see a blue box that says vowels, A, E, I, O, and U. Those are our 5 vowels in the alphabet. Each screen has a word with a picture that matches. This word is banana. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the red circles over here on the side and I'm going to click and drag them to cover the vowels. So the first thing I'm going to do is look and see if there are any A's. Well, I see lots of A's in this word, so I'm going to cover all that I see. Okay. Now, I'm going to count how many syllables there are. Banana. That's 3 syllables. Do you notice something? All of my vowels that are covered, if I counted them, I see 1, 2, 3. Sometimes in words, when we're finding out how to count the syllables, we can use vowels to help us. Now, if I see a vowel team, which is 2 vowels together, then that counts as 1. And if I have a magic E, that doesn't count at all because it doesn't make any sound. But if I have a vowel in between 2 other letters that are not vowels, then those count. So this word banana has 3 syllables. So down here in my box on the bottom part, it says how many syllables. I'm going to double click the question mark so it turns blue, and I'm going to type the number 3 to replace the question mark. There are 3 syllables. Let's do one more together. This is the word hat. I'm looking at my vowels A, E, I, O, or U. Looks like I have an A in my word, so I'm going to cover that up. And I'm going to see how many syllables are in that word. First, I'm going to snap it. Hat. That has 1 syllable. I'm going to look and see if there are any vowels that can help me out. I see I only covered 1 vowel, so that means there's only 1 syllable in the word hat. I'm going to double click my question mark, and when it turns blue, I'm going to type the number 1 to tell how many syllables there are. You're going to go ahead and continue, and when you get done, you're going to turn it into your Google Classroom so your teacher can see it.